All right, it's finally the 4th of July. I'm really excited today. We got a lot of stuff planned for fireworks. It is supposed to be a really nice day, a tad bit hot, but it's not supposed to rain and the wind's supposed to be really good. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with what we're doing today and hopefully we'll have a lot of fun. Okay, for setup, we're gonna start off with safety. We've got this bucket right here filled with safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection, got this face shield. Then scattered throughout, we're gonna have buckets of water, and just in case we got a fire extinguisher. And then also, just in case we have some accidents, we've got this first aid kit, and there is quite a bit of burn cream in there. Okay, for this area back here, these are just rough placements. I might end up moving some of these, but right here we got a stand where we're gonna shoot Roman candles at different targets. Then over here we've got a little firecracker area. Gonna test the M2000s on that. We got a filing cabinet and like a piece of exhaust that we're gonna try some firecrackers in. Then we've got this little makeshift stand right here, made this last minute to hold Roman candles safely so you don't have to hold them in your hand. And then probably right here, might move it a little bit over, but this is where we're gonna do rockets. Then I'm gonna reuse this helipad that I made for a drone. We're gonna use this for these arrowhead rockets. When it comes to the canister shells, we'll probably start with these two racks right here, just lighting one or a couple at a time. Then we'll switch to this rack where I have all these ones with the green fuse are sets of 5. So we got 6 sets of 5, we'll light individually. And then we've got that pink fuse, we got 1 set of 10, and then 1 set of 15. In the past I've done multiple small shows, but for this year I wanted to fuse everything together and do one show that I can light off one fuse. Quick little rundown of the show. To start out, we got 3 crackling mines. That's going to go to Pyro Pixie Dust. Then that's going to split to Notorious and Pyro Pulverizer. To Star Dance. Then that's going to split to both of these Sky Shooters. Then to Power Cell. And that's going to split to these Nashiki Willows and the Wizard of Oz. And that's going to split to Parrot's Prattle and Crack the Sky. Then we're going to go to Everlasting Extravaganza and Red Apparition. I left the fuse long on this one because it's going to carry over to this board. It's going to go to High Performance Display, to Phantom Blue, to Molotov Cocktail, and that's going to go to Zeus's Wrath. And that's going to split to both of these Midnight Monsoons, to Wonderstruck, and then Deja Vu. I left the fuse long on the second board as well. That's going to carry over to this Fandemonium. And then to finish things off, we've got these 25 canister shells. To lay this all out, I use Phantom's 3D Show Builder, but because I am using one single fuse, I am a little bit worried about the pacing. My main areas of concern are the end of board 1 going into board 2, and the end of board 2 going into board 3, especially this one because there is quite a bit of extra fuse. Here are these Roman candle holders that I've made for this year. I think these will all be a lot of fun, but I'm probably most excited about these holders that hold 30 Roman candles.
way louder than I thought it was going to be.
All right, that's kind of interesting.
Destruction.
We've got a 1,000 count strip here. Let's see what it does.
Damn. What's up?
I said I'm gonna say we got a huge ass candle. Let's see what it does.
All right.
We got a huge ass firecracker. Let's just see what it does.
All right.
You know I'm flammable?
Yep.
We got a green smoke grenade. The first one was a dud. Let's see if this one works. Dude, that's a ton of smoke. I like that. That was nice. Okay, what are we doing here?
Let's get that loot, bro.
We got it. That's a crispy piñata. Okay, what are we doing here?
Light them up. Gotta see where it goes.
we got him.
Just stay way cool.
Like Mama said, aim for the sky.
Nice. What'd you think of that?
Yeah, Mama was right.
Spray and pray, baby.
Think
that
that-
one had a lot left.
Well, so I think that one lit a little bit late.
Just light it, bro.
Okay, this is the wife. She doesn't want to do an intro, so we'll just get into it. What do you think of that?
Awesome. Yeah!
Do you like lighting all the big rockets?
Sure.
How's it going, Tommy?
I'm lighting all the big rockets.
People are probably gonna like hear all my laughing and be like, dude, this guy's laugh is so annoying.
We think that.
Gail just being rude.
These are 8-ounce wolf packs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, maybe I didn't get comfortable.
Got 2 outer space jets. Let's see if we can light them both. Okay, we got 3 alien escapes. We're going to try to get all 3, but it might not happen. One tried to attack T-Dog. Here we go. We got these 2-color spaceship. Let's see if we can light 3 at once. Perfect. Oh shit.
Dude, that was...
They scoot.
Shot.
Whoa!
Here comes another one.
Whoa!
Cool. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Here they go.
Woo. Whoa.
Oh. Oh.
Now you ain't going anywhere.
Whoa.
Hey, stop trying.
Too bad.
Bum, bada, bum, bum, bum.
With these spinner stands, I was kind of disappointed by their effect. The spring fling one, only a little bit disappointed because this one did spin slow, but it still spun, so it wasn't a complete loss. But with the Hypnotica, this one on the left got stuck and didn't spin at all. And while I think these did look pretty cool, I think it would have looked really cool if they all three would have spun. With the shell, I was a little bit disappointed as well. First thing being this pyro pulverizer. It was supposed to be the third thing that went off, and it actually didn't light. And then the connection from the second board to the third one was unsuccessful. Even though I had 3 zip ties on it, and you could tell where they burnt a little bit, so they were trying to light, but they just never did. So I'm going to go ahead and do a separate video of the pyro pulverizer and Fandemonium by themselves. I love fireworks, so for me personally, I had a ton of fun with all this. There are a few things that I could have changed, like maybe not trying to jam so much filming into one day, or maybe having someone help me film, because there was quite a few times where I was busy and some stuff didn't get filmed. Quite a few things actually didn't get filmed. Another thing, I'm thinking about next year starting things a little bit earlier, because by the time everything was all said and done, it was pretty late and the kids were getting pretty restless. So I think that was making things a little bit less enjoyable for them, and I didn't like that. Another thing that I'm thinking about for next year, maybe putting a little bit more effort into the actual show, because I kind of just threw all this together last minute, and I feel like I could do a little bit better research on pairing different effects to see what looks good together. And like always, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.